welcome to Grand Canyon. Ano yan eh?
Wala yun. Wala pa.
Wala pa.
8 minutes pa.
It's not a plan. Hurry.
Video.
Ah.
Video.
That is from the Grand Canyon Station Park. Anong tinanong niya? Naka-smile lang ako.
Tinanong na.
Are you going to the mountains?
No, she said, are you
Mapa?
going to Grand Canyon? Mountain. First be a mountain.
That's what my mom was wondering.
You and mommy deny her, right?
I will just say,
You guys are funny. Mommy always
kaya I need Mika.
yeah, that's why mommy needs me sometimes. Because like she would just say yeah, but
I don't understand.
I want portrait.
Visitor Center, Market Plaza.
Wala pa ako. Blank ka.
but it's not just gonna show up. We have to hide.
Okay, my turn, my turn. I smile with my
Dapat to. Yung logo. Yung
plastic necessity.
Yung logo.
Come on.
Para makita niyo yung itsura ng buo and where you are. Pasok kayo sa loob. Yes, you can go inside.
Oh, mom, you look so nice.
Of course.
The green looks nice.
What the?
Yeah, and it matches.
Asan yung ano? So, andito tayo. Mamaya pupunta tayo dun sa...
What iPhone is that?
12.
Why?
Yeah.
Why an iPhone 16 or 17?
Abraham, oh.
Oh.
Tinan mo yung shoes.